Crazy Crafters, this is Shell coming to you, and today we're going to open up a card kit and do 5 cards with 1 kit. So let's not waste any time and let's get started. Here we go. So the first thing that catches my eye is this twine, shine, some patterned paper that's really cute, lots of flamingos and pineapples, and this Die Hard month was the pineapples with the matching dies. Neat. We have some buttons, some palm tree stickers. They're puffy. 2 rolls of ribbon. Ooh, they're so glittery. Life is better with friends. You're super sweet. Sending sunny smiles. Hooray for today. Well, hello, darling. How are you today? And let's celebrate. Alright, do we want to see the color of cardstock? And then that's our color palette. So a lot of, I like all of these colors. They make me so happy. Now for the special surprise. Cute. Really glittery epoxy dots. Okay, so what I've done is I've made a card base out of the sea glass. You took out some pattern paper. Okay, let's use the small pineapple and the yellow. And I'm going to go cut out the yellow with the stitched rectangle and the pineapple out of the scalloped rectangle. I'm going to put some twine around the pineapple rectangle. We'll just do a few. Okay, and then we need our handy dandy scissors. First. There we go. I feel like we need to have a stamp on the inside. Say you are super sweet. Okay, to switch things up, let's use the cornflower ink. I do have to say this is the only ink pad I have from the Stamps Life so far, and I love it. Like, it's probably the best ink pad I've ever used. And I'm not sponsored or anything, that's just my opinion. You're super sweet. That's perfect for like a babysitter thank you card or just a sweet friend card. So yeah, alright, that's card number 1. Let's move on to card number 2. Alright, so welcome back to card number 2. And what I've done was I cut out my card base out of the yellow. I'm going to say it is the banana cardstock. And then I took my nesting scallop rectangle dies and I cut out 1 piece. And then I layered this next one down inside and cut out that piece. And then I'm just going to flip it over. And so, because, yeah, it's the same cardstock. It's just that now I have 2 different looks from the same paper. So I'm not wasting paper. It's awesome. And I'm going to do the frame first. Nestle the inside down. After that, I think I want to put some seam binding along it. And then we're going to stick that guy down. We just line up inside. There we go. Okay. I think I want it off to the side. I don't think I want it right center. Because we can make it however we want. There are no rules, you guys. Okay. I think we need some glitter. Because we always need glitter. Yellow. And down in this corner, let's do pink. Oh, wait. There. I feel like we need to have a stamp in there. And again, I'm using my cornflower ink. One thing, you want to make sure you stamp right side up. And there we go. Hooray for today. So that's card number 2. Alright, so here we are for card 3. I used my drop-in card base, and I used my layering die to cut out the banana, and I also used the layering piece with the cutout window, but instead of using it for drop-in, I just used it to cut out my window. And I am going to use the welcome shadow on the front, and then we're going to do the word on the inside. Oh, let's do the buttons actually, because we've got the circles, so let's do some buttons to decorate. So, and then now I'm going to place the welcome. I just want to make sure I don't have it upside down or anything. Alright, yeah, that is how I want it. Okay, so I die cut that out, and I'm going to use the shadow for behind the word on the inside. But before I do that, let's die cut the welcome out of some adhesive. I have the color already with the adhesive on the back, so I am going to go and run that through. Alright, so I ran that through the die cut machine. Just peel off the back. Stick that baby on. Just gonna go. You basically just reposition it back in. Okay. I'm gonna use some glue dots. I'm gonna stick that on there. And actually, I'm not gonna make you watch me thread this through, but what if we put it through the white one and made a little bow? I'm going to take this one off, and I'm going to give it a little bow too. Holy smokes, my fingers aren't working. Alright. Okay. Okay. And then we're going to stick that there. Okay. So now we're going to put on some epoxy dots. That one, this one. So we have the white in, we have the yellow in, we have the pink in, we have the teal in, and then there's just that green. So we'll kind of do that one, even on top of another green one. So it's kind of like that. What if we just do a stamp on the inside? Yeah, let's do that. So welcome, sending sunny smiles. Let's do that. I kind of feel like we should bend this so it kind of looks like a smiley face. Yep, I like it. And there we have it. Card number 3. Finito. It's a welcome card. Sending you smiles. That's cute and cheerful. Alright. Card number 3 is done. Alright, so for card number 3, I cut out my card base. I went ahead and cut out on the other side of this is just plain green, so I used one of my hillside borders and cut out that. I took some of my pattern paper and I just cut a strip because I just wanted the green trees, so I could just kind of slip that back behind, make it look like the trees are behind the hill. Here I'm going to have to do a little bit of finicky bending of my paper, not a big deal. So yeah, let's just get started with that. Before I do that, I'm going to grab my handy dandy pencil and I just trace a line at the bottom there so I know where to line up my paper. And oops, so I'll line that up like that. Like that. That's not going to be seen, so it doesn't matter so much. Let's go like that. We line up our little dots. Voila. Place our hill. And then I turn it to the back and I just cut off the excess. A couple of palm trees, I think they should be green, just so that they kind of fit. One there, that way it kind of covers up our mistake. That. And you know what? I wonder, that's too big. What about these ones? You guys, did you know that? Look, the die from the Die Hard Club fits perfect on the paper. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out a couple of these so I can plop them on there. So I went ahead and I cut out a bunch of little pineapples, and I don't know what I'm really going to do with them quite yet, but maybe just make a pile of them. Okay, let's move on to something different. Let's put a big yellow epoxy dot. Kind of looks like the sun. Or do we want to do a button for the sun instead? Take the button and put a glittery thing on top of that. And there we go. That's a cute little sunshine up in the sky. This one can be behind the hill even. That one on top. Nobody will ever know that it was just a half one. Here's the wild pineapple. How about we put a sending smiles? You're super sweet. Ready for today? I don't know. Let's pick one. Let's do Let's Celebrate. I don't know what we're celebrating, but we're celebrating something. And then I feel like we should have a pineapple on the inside. So let's do that. How about there's a stamp on this club that says Party Like a Pineapple. And I kind of feel like it's appropriate for like right here. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna party like a pineapple. Because they're all partying. That's funny. Okay, see, I like this now. This card is winning me over. Sometimes you just have to keep going until you appreciate it. Okay, so I think that card is finished. Party like a pineapple. Flip it on inside. Let's celebrate. I like it. Okay, that one finally did win me over. Now on to our final card for this evening, morning, whenever you're watching this. Final card for this video. Let's say that. You can't argue with that. Well, you can if you want, but I'm not going to listen. Alright, so here's card number 5. I got a white card base because I'm not quite sure what I want to do on the outside yet. I just realized that we haven't even used our shine die yet, so maybe we'll use that. on the front. But I did go ahead and cut out a pop-up insert for inside, because with the banner there's 5 letters. There's 5 letters in shine. I'm seeing a theme here, so let's just go with it and see what happens. There we go. Okay. Ta-da! Now before I glue that down, I'm going to put a strip of some kind of cardstock in behind it. Okay. So what I did, now we're going to glue that in like so. Here's hoping I'm not shooting myself in the foot by doing it early. Okay, so this is going to be the front of my card. I want to do something with shine on it. Shine, and then we also have the shadow. What color do we want to do the shadow in? Yellow maybe? Okay. So color. Okay, and then how about we do shadow in white? Sticking to me. That, I feel like this needs glitter. And then let's put a couple down here. So shine, open it up. Inside we are going to go cut that out again. I have some adhesive on some white cardstock, and so I'm going to go cut that out. With this one, I'm not going to just stick it on because that's obviously not going to work, but I'm going to cut each letter out individually. And before I do that, I need to go and cut out 5 banners. Let's bring the pink into the middle. Okay, so I have my banners. This is where my ADD kicks in. And there we go. Okay. Like finish off the shine, because right now it's just shin. Alright. I got distracted. I saw sparkles. The other day my son goes, "Mom, I'm sorry it's not in your favorite color." I'm like, "Well, what's my favorite color?" It's like sparkle. Not wrong. So there's card number 5. Shine on the outside. It needs a stamp. Let's do a stamp. I like this one. We're gonna do it in cornflower. I seriously love these ink pads, you guys. I'm gonna have to buy some more. Wow. Okay, so that's okay then. It says, "Well, hello, darling. How are you today?" And then it says shine. So there's card number 5. Alright, everybody, that concludes our 5 cards in 1 kit video. Subscribe if you haven't already. You'll be notified the moment a new video goes up. Hit that thumbs up button if you liked what you saw. And leave a comment in the comment section, because I love communicating with people who have watched the videos, because it's just fun. Alright, until next time. Bye.